told you that?
Who told you that?
Who told you that?
Who told you that? Who told you this?
Who told you that?
Who told you about this?
Who told you that?
Who told you?
They? Who told you that? What is his name? I want it.
Oh, forget it.
That's what I was told.
Might I ask who told you?
Who told you this?
I can't say.
Who told you where to find me?
The manager.
Oh, he's still embarrassed because Finch kicked his ass.
Who told you that?
Who told you that?
Albert told me.
Who told you that, sir? Tea party? Ilario?
It doesn't matter who told me that. You tell me.
Who told you this?
Oh, a newspaperman. He's now deceased.
How do you know? He told me. Who told you? George Washington.
I heard the professor was mad at me.
Who told you that?
A boy at school.
How do you know we're working out of our garage? Who told you that?
Who told you? Did Tigers tell you?
I heard from Monkey and Crane and Mantis and your dad and Mrs. Chow from the gift shop and those ducks you just passed and Tigers told me.
We are kings or pawns, a man once said.
See? Who told you these?
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Mom, do I have a twin brother?
How did you find out? Who told you?
Wait, what? It's true? You never told me I had a brother, and you told me that Dad died of disappointment when I was born.